In the upper corner is the Quick Access toolbar, which you can customize with the commands you use frequently. To add commands, select the down arrow and choose from the list of options. If you want to add a different command, choose More Commands. This opens options for the Quick Access toolbar. Then choose where the commands come from. Usually Popular Commands has what you need. Select what you want and then Add. To delete an item, select it and then select Remove. Or restore the original toolbar by selecting Reset and then Reset Only Quick Access Toolbar. When you're done, select OK. As you go through the tabs, the commands stay at the top. Each Office app has a Quick Access toolbar that you can customize how you want.